Fast Life Mario, Lavish Mario, man. We back with another video, man. As y'all can tell, man, y'all already know we about to cut up, get active in traffic, you feel me? Be real with y'all boys, it's rain. Well, I ain't gonna say it's rain. It was raining, so we gonna take it a little easy. But you know, we still finna cut up in the, you know what I'm saying, a slim body, man. We cruising right now, though. We in Eco, you feel me? Little cruise on the way. Workout, you feel me? Like, bro, y'all can't even lie, bro. Like, the sound of that just never gets old, bro. Literally, dog. Like, I never get tired of hearing that. Let me say this real quick, too. I want to tell y'all this. Because I did a video, my most recent video. Go to my most recent video before this video, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It was like a POV, kind of like a vlog thing, too. Teaching my girl how to drive the tune Scat. Somebody gonna comment on that, tell something. Once again, the video start, all I hear is a mouth. It's a POV, not a vlog. I mean, kind of was. I just had to clip me that bitch so that bitch get views and be real, y'all. But it was like, it was kind of like both. It was mostly a vlog, but I did a POV in it. You feel me? It's a vlog with a POV in it. But it's like, I ain't talking that much. You know what I'm saying? But then again, like I said, it was mostly a vlog though. But man, yo, oh, what we got right here, y'all? I know y'all see that bit. SRT slim body. Oh, that's a Hellcat. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's a Hellcat right there, so we gotta throw this bitch in trap mode. Let's see what he on. Hellcat, he not doing nothing. Why he ain't doing nothing? Hey, we in the Scat, we still finna. Let's see. See what he do. I ain't gonna lie, his shit clean though. Yeah, he don't give a fuck. He pulling into the dealership. Yeah, man, it's raining in South Florida right now. Feel me? I keep saying it's raining right now. It's not raining right now, but it was raining. But like, let me know, y'all. Do the window down bother y'all? Or do y'all want it up? Cause I don't know. I know y'all want to hit a car, but let's go through a tunnel. Fuck it. Damn! Oh my god. Right in front of me. Are y'all serious, bro? Cybertruck. What's y'all opinion on Cybertrucks, man? Do y'all like the Cybertrucks? Look at that bitch. Throw that bitch back in auto. Give me an auto right now. You feel me, man? Shit like that. I ain't gonna lie, this Range Rover in front of me driving slow, bro. Some pops out there. Bitch, get out the way, bitch. Now, come on, man. Y'all boys see the Scat coming through, bitch. Parking lot though, so y'all something be a little easy. Feel me? Cause they already scared. They time finna hit their ass. My bad. Start to grab some Wendy's right quick, you know what I'm saying? I I don't really eat fast food. I got a water. I ain't gonna drink the soda, but you know it come with the meal. So I said, fuck it. I might take a sip out of it. I ain't gonna lie. Just get some type of electrolytes, a little sugar. But I don't really eat fast food though, y'all. I just got it because I'm in a rush and I ain't have time to cook. You feel me? Fell out this bit of. Now I ain't gonna let that truck flying, boy. Dog think he the only one I could cut up, dude. Whoa, y'all. Hold up. The food. Shit almost fell out the bag on the floor. I would have been high, I'm not gonna lie. Red seats, man. Nighttime POV, y'all boys just left the park, man. Get y'all some pops, man. I don't even know if y'all can see cause my tent so damn dark, bro. Back road activity though. My tent's so dark, y'all probably can't even see, man. Oh shit, let me chill. The police right there, y'all. Fuck. Good thing them boys do not see me, bitch, cause I would be getting a fucking ticket. Now y'all probably finna be able to see better though, cause we getting on the main road, we ain't on the back road no more. I ain't gonna lie, them back roads though, man, this shit talking, man. Pops and bangs be so clarity, dog. You feel me? This nigga trying to race, bro. Break. Oh, don't hit me, bitch. Trying to cut up with me, bitch, because I'm not trying to cut up with your ass. This nigga definitely trying to race, bro. And I'm not trying to race. That's the thing. Like, why'd you trailing my ass, bro? All I'm saying is, bitch, if you hit me, it's gonna be a problem. Like, y'all, look at this bitch in my fucking review, bro. Y'all can even see. Y'all can't even see, but look right there. Like, what the fuck is y'all doing, bro? I hate when a car ride ass so much. Like, damn, bitch, if you hit me, bro, it's really gonna be a problem. Like, fall the fuck back, bro. Trying to cut up with me. Get the fuck out the way, bro. Slow ass Audi. Like, they ass almost just hit my car, bro. Trying to cut up and shit. Damn. That's crazy, cause like, bro, y'all in a what? A V6 doing that shit, bro. Like, that shit's not keeping up with my car. My car's dusting that shit. That shit stock like what? 240 fucking horsepower? Fuck out of here, bro. That last shit.